yung dina-justify nila yung 30,000 killing and things like that, ganun. This is a court, okay? You don't go to court in order to validate kung tama yung haka-haka nyo o hindi. May haka-haka kayo eh. Ang haka-haka nyo is that 30,000 ang namatay under the instruction of PRRD in one way or another. Okay? Yun yung sinasabi ninyo. There are 30,000 deaths. Okay? The problem is you cannot show the body. You cannot identify. You cannot make any inference na merong 30,000 na pinatay systematically. And so, at the onset, there is really nothing to extend here. You allege 43 deaths. You are at 43 deaths. Ngayon, kung kunwari, meron kayong idadagdag dyan later on, then those are going to be separate cases. I do not know how you're going to do it, but you cannot do it in the same court where you already filed 43 cases of death.
Hindi,
Diba?
sandali lang.
Hindi ka pwedeng magdagdag.
Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. Bakit ba mag-a-adjust lahat para sa inyo? Mag-a-adjust ang statistical concept, mag-a-adjust ang rules of evidence, bakit lahat kailangan i-adjust para sa feelings ninyo?